Feeding time. Feeding time. Feeding time. Kahit gulay lang. Gulay lang. Saka isda. Yan. Praise God. Mga bata. God bless you mga bata.
Doon yung maliit pa. Yan lang.
Kung ka-draw, gulay.
Picture si Drew. Kaway doon sa camera. Ganun. Palitan lang ito din. Okay lang plato basa.
Guapo Drew. Guapo Drew. Yan, mission. Bitani mission Kalibo.
Hi to my vlog.
God bless you.
Vlog kami lang guys.
Thank you for your prayer.
Vlog yan guys. Vlog ko.
God bless. White rice na luan ng black rice. Mukhang kamuros na para madaling mabusog at masustansya. Sampo ang absent. Pray makasama namin sila next Sunday worshiping the Lord. Thank you for your prayers and financial support sa Bitani Baptist Church Mission Kalibo. God bless you and your family. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.